What is web designing? Techedo Technologies have answer of your questions. Web designing. A web designing course belongs to field of computer science and IT. Web designing courses: HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, Photoshop to HTML, UI and UX. Scope of web designing: front-end developer, back-end developer, web applications developer, design and layout analyst, UI designer, web analyst, UX developer, web marketing analyst. Which is best institute for web designing? Techedo Technologies. Advanced technical training and 100% placement company. Boost your career with them. Techedo Technologies is a private limited software company known for its advanced training program and best institute in Chandigarh. Thanks for watching.